Hi, today I talk about how to install Unity Pro XL. Unity Pro XL is the Schneidner PLC software. It's very powerful. In my YouTube first video, I just use the Unity Pro XL to do PLC program. Let's start. This software is very useful. Means a lot of company, especially in the main company. Okay, set up. English. Okay. Is this tab number we choose? This UNYSPU, UNYSPUE. 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 8. Okay, next. Next. Install this. Okay, Modbus. We use Modbus. Now we do here. Okay, now this when we start the application. Now we have 30 days use this peer. Okay, we don't have register. Okay. We choose this have multi-count. It's a quantity. It's a moment. Okay, we choose multi-count. Okay, we use 8 slot as Here is the configuration. Here, say you can add is the device. Here, analog communication service. Okay. Also, you can program here. First, if you do something, should be communication, set up communication here. Okay. After that, task is here. New one, we use test. It's here how many structure text. This very old. Function LD, okay, function block. Secrecy function block. Apply. Okay. So here you can make program here. Okay. That's it. Okay, then looking for which here we didn't create which is the tag. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you very much.